Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
STEMpedia has created a versatile group of AI and robotic learning kits called Quarky. They're designed for 7 to 14-year-olds and let kids build robotic toys that can include face or voice recognition and more. Chief Visionary Officer Abhishek Sharma.
The first one is the innovator kit, which is essentially meant for students who are exploring artificial intelligence for the first time. They can convert this robot into two different models. One would be a flat, right, a three-wheeled horizontal robot, and then you can shift this wheel here and you can transform it into a vertical robot.
Smart and fun. Don't forget to check out the full interview online or on the Techstination YouTube channel. There's more info at THESTEMPEDIA.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand, without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.